All right, folks, this is an overhead view of me assembling this rig, this solo content creator rig, utilizing the SmallRig vmount battery plate, and how this thing makes disassembling and reassembling your setup so easy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and time myself. Right here, I have my camera with the SmallRig cage already in place because just being practical, you likely won't take the cage off of your camera when you're traveling with it. It's there to protect your camera, hence. You probably would undo the lens and so forth, but I'll leave my lens on for this setup since that doesn't really take much time at all. I'll be mounting the vmount battery to the SmallRig battery plate and then attaching my monitor to this rig to give you a perspective of, how I utilize this to shoot in first person. All right, so I'll go ahead and start the timer here and we are off to the races. So utilizing this quick release place here at the bottom, I will slide in the camera to that quick release place and I will lock it in like that with that lever. Now that that's in place, I'll go ahead and slide, because that's in place, I'll go ahead and lock this to make sure that's sturdy. Then I will throw on the vmount battery. I can then put the USB-C port in the respective location so that it's getting juice from the vmount battery. And now I just need to attach my monitor. So if I set this down for just a second, I can rotate this and I'll screw in this monitor. Then I can work my magic with this HDMI cable, wrap that around here and on the other end, pop that open and get that in there. So that's in there. I'll plug in this D-tap port to go to the back of this monitor so the monitor now gets some juice, and I'll cut this camera on. So it should be on, but one thing that is currently not taking place is I don't have my flip screen out. So I'll adjust that so that I can access my flip screen and rotate it as such. Move this out of the way there, and then boom, we are back in position. So if I stop the clock, right now I'm at about 2 minutes and 15 seconds, but this gives you a look at how I utilize this camera to shoot in a from the as a solo creator. I have the monitor facing me as well as the menu system so that I can easily access the touch panel, and all comes together with the usefulness of this SmallRig vmount battery plate. This could have been a little cleaner if I remembered to take out this door before mounting the camera, but all in all, you can get this set up with about 2 minutes, less than that really, and you're good to go. You can see the SmallRig smart battery on the back end is actively tracking the usage of the port, so just sweet information. But all right, folks, that is the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful towards deciding whether or not you think the SmallRig vmount battery plate would be something that you check out yourself. If you do, go ahead and leave a comment in the description, and I'd be curious to know how you're utilizing it for your rigs or what you may have done differently. As always, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.